Hello guys, welcome to another recap of Young Season 3 episode 30. So after Kaya had a meeting with the students, they said they don't want anything to do with taking down the clique. So now Ama is on his side. So they're talking about bringing the clique down. And then Kaya says, for now, we just need to focus on getting our old Tepo back. We need Tepo to heal first, and then we're going to see what we're going to do with Odeklek. On the breakfast, Buhle is not eating, and Tumelo comes and says, what's wrong? Yini? So now my morning sickness, akusadleki yini porridge yini likwenza ukuthi ugule athi Buhle, on top of everything that is going on around her, she's not thinking about food. Food is the last thing on her mind. Athi Tumelo, no friend, you have to eat. Remember now, you're not eating only for yourself, you're eating also for your baby. And then Buhle athathe one bite athi nakho-ke happy sengidlile uyajabula. Athi Tumelo, no, eat some more. Athi Buhle, no, khohlwa nje. Athi uyazama ukukhuluma nayo. Athi lalela la Tumelo, keep on nicking me. Ungabisakhuluma nami. I regret telling you about this. I regret sending you to the shop to buy the pregnancy test for me. I should have sent someone else, not you. So nje, just leave me alone. I don't want you to talk about this ever again. Phuma nje kumina, yeka nje indaba zami, naka ezakho, khohlwa nje ukuthi I ever told you about this. So Tumelo kaphatheke kabi ke asuma Buhle amshiye kanjalo saswabile ngazi ukuthi uzothini. So Kaya ngapha is trying to talk to Tshepo, mtshela ukuthi we should hang around after school, yabo, sit down, sithi ukukhuluma kancane, sithi nje ukhohlwa yonke iyenzakalayo la around school. But I need to do my assignment, I need to do my homework, so I actually don't have time. I have to study for the exams. So and then Kaya says it will be just a small minutes, and then you're gonna go back at doing your stuff. At see Utumelo no Utepo, I mean 30 minutes in Kulgabi, I would have done many things. Galisos Katileso. Then Mahlat's on the other side, they are bonding with Pusileto. He's telling her that Principal Ramatuba apologized about hitting with Tsepo in front of them. Athi yazi ubukhonzile wena uprincipal kusasaza xolise kuwena ngaze nje ngibona uprincipal exolisa nje komunye umuntu. And then ngapho Buhle sitting in the classroom alone thinking, and then Pearl comes and ambuza ukuthi what's going on, why are you sitting here all alone? I just needed a quiet place to think about my life. That's okay. I waited for you the other day to come and get your study, guys, but you didn't come. So I hope you're not backing down from what you promised you're gonna do. That's Buhle, no, I'm not backing down. I'm still gonna study. And then Kaya hang around the school as usually. As sebejwayelene ke manje umbuzo ukuthi is he using anything for the wounds? He's using hot water and salt. Satsukaya, no, I have something better for you to use. Come to my room, I'm gonna give it to you. It's gonna help you heal fast. And then they fist bump. That was fist bumping. I wasn't promises and I relax, singing on man, just getting better. I was blessed the other day. Then Gabukaya is still trying to talk to her, but that's good. Amvula amehlo ukuthi declare ayikho right. Athi mahlathi lalela la mina nje yabo manje ngiku-happy mood, ngifuna ukuthula, usuku lami lihamba kahle. So nje angifuni yonke lento ozanayo la kumina. Yonke lento eyenzekile, it's all your fault. I've been telling you guys to follow the rules, but you don't listen. You want to be heroes and stuff. So nje leave me alone. Sathi uyakhuluma nayo amathe ahamba athethisa abafundi ukuthi benzani ehlezi yenza. And then ngapha amo hambe uyokhuluma noKhaya athi nje I don't know what's happening with Mahlatsi anymore. He's changed. He doesn't want to stand for abanye abafundi. Kwenza ngezinye athi uKhaya ubulindele nina uMahlatsi bengazi mina ukuthi uMahlatsi uzothatha iside la de Klerk, and then they said they are all alone in this now. Everyone is not fighting, and they don't know ukuthi uDumele ukuliphi side because uthuli nje naye kulezi insuku. Base kodwa kumele bamsize uTshepo. And then uDumelo uyaqhubeka uyakubuhle, still nagging her ukuthi yakhulume ngalento to tell uKabelo about the baby. And then here uyambuza ukuthi is she gonna keep the baby? But if she is keeping the baby, it's fine. There are many other options after giving birth, and they still have life after everything. And then uKhaya phinde futhi abiza ama-students azamkhuluma nawo about taking de Klerk down, about helping with Tshepo. And then babuza ukuthi Khaya uyenza lento le ngoba ufuna ukuyenza nje kuphuma enhlizweni yakho, or you still want to reclaim the title head of being a hero? Guys, itshayile, let's leave this. De Klerk won. Into kumele ngisabe siyasebenza thina kuyona manje is to pass and get out of the school. That's all we have to do. If de Klerk, if de Klerk wants Amo or Palisa, you're gonna give them Amo no Palisa. But in the Amo no Palisa, ask kiss utsini manisini ngathi. And then mabishe kanjalo ke Amo benoTshepo noKhaya ke athi uTshepo Lungile Khaya, at least you tried. So yeah, asiyeke. And then ngapha ke the couple ke buildeka yethuna ke Mahlatsi afike with the notes athi tholele uPuseletho on the mall. Elibhala ukuthi I fall in love with you every single day. So uPuseletho ke yalifunde ke then smile sacabanga athi kulo Mahlatsi yaxolisa ukuthi nge-overstep singabangani atatazele yabo location lento athi uPuseletho no relax, akhiphe naye ebhalile ukuthi you my favorite person Mahlatsi Maleka. Simaleka uMahlatsi ajabuleke asathi so does this mean you my girlfriend now? Athi uPuseletho yeah I guess. And then athi ngisune ke, and then they kiss wara blah blah blah. And then ngapha ke uBuhle decided to call Kabelo and then tell him ukuthi athi I'm pregnant Kabelo. Athi Kabelo so ufuna ngenzeni mina ngalokho? Athi nje lalela mina ngifuna ukwenza lutho ngaleyo ngane naleso siso sakho, so nje mina ungikhiphe lapho. When you caused trouble for me before with my wife, so you want to do it again with that baby of yours that you telling me you are carrying now. So nje do whatever you want to do, don't involve me, and just forget about me. Athi ulo Buhle, no, you're the one who causing me troubles. I'm not causing you any troubles. Don't forget that I didn't make this baby alone. So Kabelo nje, hey Buhle, just leave me alone. Then he drops the call. Buhle is left alone, morose. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this episode. See you on the next one. Bye.